What's going on, guys? I'm nothing's wrong. I'm just cleaning. I'm doing a little cleaning today in the shop. It is coming up a bad storm, so if it starts lightning and thundering, I'm so sorry. I just wanted to show you guys this stuff right here. It is a, if it'll focus on it, focus. It is good for getting rubber off the quarter panels. I used it a couple weeks ago. Casey got me a couple cans of it, and yeah, it worked phenomenal. I've never cleaned the quarter panels on this car, and I've raced it for 4 seasons now, going on 5 seasons, and it just ate it right away. You literally spray it on, and I'll show you guys everything I'll go through, because after yesterday, as we went racing yesterday, it's got some rubber buildup up on it. So we're gonna get that cleaned and show you guys how it works. So as you can see, we got some rubber buildup. I actually used this a couple weeks ago. And this whole quarter panel on both sides really were just caked. I need to get on the inside of here. But yeah, this is what it looks like before, and we'll show you after. So what you want to do is take this and literally just spray it up there. Should be good. You can literally see it eating the rubber away. And I just take it and just wipe it. And there's some thick spots in here that has set for years, but we put a little grease behind it and it comes right off. Just like that. Like I said, there's some thick stuff in here that probably won't come off, but actually it is. Holy cow. Wow. All right, Drew, prove me wrong. Get a little more here. You're good. Oh, that's so mesmerizing to watch. Holy cow. This stuff is amazing, man. I mean, wow. And it doesn't leave like a greasy residue or anything. It wipes off clean, clear. This stuff is amazing. I gave Brandon some to use, and as you know, if Brandon Lane approves of it, it's good stuff. He called me, he said, yeah man, this stuff's really good. So yeah, that's all there is to it. And this is the finished product. As you can see, there's a few little spots in there, but that ain't no big deal. I'm sure I can get that out with just a little bit of elbow power. I was just kind of showing you guys how easy this stuff works, man. It's really, really nice. So if you guys want to get some, visit drivenracingoil.com. This is what it looks like. You can just search Speed Clean. I think it's $6.97 a can. You can also get it by the case. Check you out and get you some Driven Racing wax as well. And yeah, use code GBR10, save yourself 10% off at checkout.